besties, welcome back to this channel. Now, while I make this beautiful sleek ponytail, I'm gonna be telling you 5 common mistakes you should avoid while trying to create your sleek ponytail. Now, all these mistakes I'm saying is based on experience and some of the mistakes I've made, some of the errors I've realized, and I don't want you to go through that stress of passing or experiencing those mistakes. And if you have already witnessed those kind of mistakes, these are some of the things you need to know before you start your sleek ponytail. Now, before we proceed with this video, I would want you to like this video, click the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel. Now let's proceed. Now I have 5 on my list, and I'll be starting with the first one. Now, before you think of even attending to your client or wanting to get your sleek ponytail, you need to check out for the hair type. If you're working on a already relaxed hair, like a hair that have already relaxed, now the first thing you need to avoid is doing your sleek ponytail on an undergrowth hair. It's either a natural hair or a relaxed hair, and it's always best for you to make your sleep on a freshly relaxed hair, or you're doing it on a natural hair. So it cannot be in between. Now, the next on my list is the product you're using. So just like the natural hair I just talked about and the relaxed hair, you need to take note of the products you're using. So if you're doing your stick ponytail on a relaxed hair and you would want it to probably last for a while, then you would want to go in with your gel. That is, you'll be going with gel all through the hair before you dry it. With that, you know the hair will be laying sleek, flat, and smooth because it is a relaxed hair. But if the hair is a virgin hair, then you should go in with your spray hold. That is, avoid anything water based like gel, etc. You can use your wax, or you can also use your spray hold to make the sleek ponytail all through the hair, because the natural hair, anything that touches like natural hair and water, it becomes coily and it won't give you that smooth sleek ponytail you want to achieve. Now, the next on my list is, do not make a sleek ponytail on someone that is wearing makeup. Like this, my client is putting on makeup and we're trying to get a sleek ponytail on this hair, and I was finding it difficult to do the hair because the makeup products is mixing up with the gel and it's giving me that dirty look, which I don't want. And I want this hair to be shining, beautiful, flawless. You get. So I had to start avoiding the face, and the style she even picked was something that's gonna come all over her face. So you can also see that we had to start cleaning some part of the face, just because we don't want the gel and the makeup to mix together. So if at all you would want to probably make up your clients and all the stuff, always do your sleek ponytail before putting on the makeup, so that it won't be stressful and it's not going to make your work look messy. Now, the fourth on my list is the extension you're using. Now, you have to be creative, you have to be very, very creative, you have to think. So, depending on the style you're making, the ponytail or the extension you will be attaching should match it. So, not every hairstyle that matches every extension. So, each extension that comes to you, make sure to think very well before using it, because sometimes you may just do a job and it's gonna be looking awkward because of the extension does not match the ponytail. And then the last on my list is using too much product on the person's hair or your hair. So if you're using your gel or your spray hose, always use a little amount. That is, use the one that is okay, so that when you're drying the hair, it's gonna dry faster and it's not gonna itch the client. So with these few points of mine, I hope you'll be able to avoid these mistakes and also get a flawless look. Now this is a finished look of this particular hairstyle. See you in my next video. Bye.